Hi, welcome to my kusina. I'm Marites. I'm not a culinary expert. I just want to share with you what I have learned from Philippine cuisine to international cuisine. For more recipes, hit the like and subscribe. With that said, without further ado, let's get started. Let's cook and bake this cheesy baked salmon. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup of mayonnaise and 2 kilos of salmon fillet. Squeeze a lemon all over it to remove any fishy smell. And when you're buying a salmon fillet in the store, check for the discoloration. If there's a discoloration, that is not fresh anymore. And check for the fish bones to make sure to remove all of those. And we will make the cheesy toppings. Mix the room temperature cream cheese, 1 black and black pepper, and mince of garlic, 1/4 cup. Mix it well until combined. And add the 1 cup of parmesan cheese. While doing this, make sure you preheated the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Add the thyme and the rosemary. Mix it well. This is a best recipe for salmon so far that I made. This is my first time to try, and I can prove to you that it's so yummy. My family loves it. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And as you all know, salmon is a healthy fish with omega-3 fatty acid, and it's very yummy even in sashimi. But this is my first time to try with lots of cheese and a side dish of mixed vegetable with corn and carrot and green peas sauté in a butter. There are several types of salmon. There is king salmon, which is chinook, silver salmon or coho, pink salmon humpback, red salmon sockeye, and Atlantic salmon. And any of this can make a delicious bake in the oven. Pat them dry with paper towel. And don't forget to click the bell button for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video recipe. And now spread all over the cheesy mixture on top of the salmon fillet, and including all sides and in between the fillets. And after you spread all of this, top with slice of quickmelt and a sprinkle of breadcrumbs. Cover with aluminum foil and bake for about 45 minutes with cover of aluminum foil, and remove the aluminum foil after 45 minutes. Bake for another 10 minutes. And this is so yummy. I'm sure you're gonna love this one. Perfect for birthday celebration, anniversaries, family feast, get together. This is my first time to bake, so it was perfectly cooked, and my family loves. They want, and they are still requesting it to do it for their birthday. I will make it for another time, because you know it's too expensive, the salmon here in the Philippines. And now it's almost done. Ready to serve. Wow, cheesy baked salmon. So triple cheese, parmesan cheese, cream cheese, and quickmelt vegetables. Now the side dish. Saute in an encore butter. Try this at home and comment down below. And don't forget, tell me what you got. If your family loves it, this recipe. Thank you and happy cooking. Stay safe, stay healthy, eat healthy food. Cheesy baked salmon. Thank you for watching. God bless. I'll show you the doneness. Right, that's it. It's a cheesy, creamy baked salmon. Bye.